The ducks. Don't stop right. Oh, wait, what happened there? Ang equivalent ng ano dito, learner's permit is L yung lalagay. Inaasam-asam natin to pag weekend eh.
Hi!
Yeah, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo. Oh, look at that, Monday morning. Pagka weekends eh, hindi ganito kaganda. Pagka Monday na Monday, saka naman gumanda. Inaasam-asam natin to pag weekend eh. Ano kaya tanggalin tong mga ano na yan, no? Yung mga damo na parang puti-puti. Yan yung ano eh, dumadami yan eh. Yan pagka yung ano nila yan eh, yun yung seed. Ito naka for sale oh. Tatayo ng bahay dyan ata yan, wala pang yung lupa. Tignan natin magkano. Ganda ng panahon talaga. 12 degrees sabi dito sa ano, may dami, may nagbabike. Yan. Yan, kapag ang equivalent ng ano dito, learner's permit is L yung lalagay. Tayo. Ano kaya tanggalin tong mga ano na yan, no? Yung mga damo na parang puti-puti. Yan yung ano eh, dumadami yan eh. Yan pagka yung ano nila yan eh, yun yung seed.
2,000 years later.
Yan, magandang umaga sa inyo. Yan, si PG may ano nahawak, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Ganda ng araw natin ngayon, 12 degrees. Yan, maliwanag, blue sky. Yan. Ano nakikita nyo? May deer. It's curious. Saan kaya pupunta? Baka masagasaan. What? Go this way. Stay in the right. Stay behind me. Stay to the right. Stay to the right. Don't cut the might be cars. Stay in the right. Go behind me. This way. This way. This way. Huh? Hello. Watch out, eh? Muddy. Careful. You still there? You still there? Yeah. Steep. Yeah. You might have to walk. Yeah. You wanna go first? You go first. I'll follow you. You get a suspension too. It's good. Steep. If it's steep, you have to stand up and then so you have better. Yeah. Just stand up. Whoa. What was that? That's four-wheeler. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh, wait. Why did they go here? It's not even for that purpose. I'm gonna stop here. Just look at the ducks. Don't stop right. Oh, wait, what happened there? Why is it? Oh, you cannot go. It's broken. Oh, somebody burned it. Yeah, careful, eh? Hold the handle. You wanna go to Fort George Park? I'll go first. Okay, let's go. This way. Are you here? Right? Go ahead. You go first. Yeah, left. Yeah, right. Go right. This way. You wanna look what? The view? Yeah, go ahead. Watch out. There's a bike coming. Here we are. First stop. Some naliligo siguro yan. Don't go far, just stay here. You might fall down there. I'm not gonna rescue you. That's to look at the current. gonna take you away. Okay. Yeah, when it's steep, you have to stand up like this. When it's steep. Is that a dog? Is it? Oh wait, I gotta stop here first. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I gotta close my call. Just give me a second. I gotta close my call. 4:30. Just give me a second. I gotta pause. Google Map. Okay, let's go. Put it on. Where did you take it off? We're gonna go down. I gotta go first. This is the bicycle lane. Where's the one? I think it's this way. Yeah, you gotta go down here. Yeah, it's at the. Sorry, chop. Hold on. I hit my camera. Now we go this way. Where are you? Oh. Wait. You should go this way, but it's wet. I know. Let's go that way. Let's see what's in there. Why it's flooded? Oh, okay. I think it goes this way. You want to go that way, or we'll just turn around here? Might be better to go this way. Oh, they closed this down. Park closed due to flooding. It says park closed due to flooding. Start recording. You see that train? Yeah. Go first. Go first. Stand up when you're when you wanted to more leverage. Stand up when you want leverage. Say excuse me when you pass them. Sorry. Excuse us. Thank you. Oh my God. Did you come here before? Did you come here before? Huh? With the bike? Turn right. Turn right. Yeah, that's how it is. Life is bumpy, man. Doesn't go smoothly. Watch out. Turn left. Yeah. Stand up. Okay, let's go on that other side. Go this way. You here? Go. Yeah. Hello. Here's the Fort George. They build it?
The building's built right now.
Yeah, I think it's already built.
Honestly, I like the new renovations. There's a lot more.
Yeah.
There's a lot more stuff to it.
It's a nice view here.
Nature, like, nature's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Here you go first. We'll go single line. My drone can go here. You need a bigger bike, I think, to upgrade. I can hear you. Yeah? How's the tires? Good? Solid? Yeah. I got a horn too. That's my horn. You're gonna turn left here. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna turn left. Thanks. Here, stop first. Just stop. Okay, you gotta make yourself visible, eh? Go first. Go first. Go first. Concentrate on your road. Don't get distracted, man. Almost there. Turn right. Right here. Made it. What did you say? Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Sorry.
Your socks, man. Okay, cross the road. It's the final countdown. Oops. This way. This way. You gonna park yours in there? Or you wanna park here? Put your helmet down first, man. Don't keep on banging the helmet. Oh.
Oh, hopefully your GoPro's in there.
Yeah?
Your GoPro's in there.
Yeah, I'll go first because you might use yours. Here, put here. Giging dog park nitong ano, yung park. May dog na tapos pinapatay pa nila rito. 8 o'clock, magana tayo. Shooting bago tulog. Pasok pa tayo bukas. Meron akong ano tayo bukas. Maaga. Parang colon testing for BC cancer, parang gano'n. Request ng doktor ko ata yun. Ngayong araw eh. Pero nevertheless, ganda pa rin ng panahon. Walang snow. Itin tayo. Yun, spa. Yan, pag ganun. Hello. Ayun. Jesus. Ayun. Naglalabasan na yung mga motor ngayon. Narinig nyo? Ayan. Mga bulaklak naglalabasan na rin.
Dito tayo sa hospital. Meron tayong appointment. 7:50. Ano na pala? 7:51. Late tayo. Uwi tayo dito. University Hospital. Main entrance. Hi, I'm here to pick up a test kit. Salamat sa YouTube. Kaming masayang taga Edmonton Oilers yan.
Scored a double OT winner. It was the last time there'd been a double overtime
Believe.
Stanley Cup final. So